Look. Look at that. The lace, it didn't take me like a long time to bleach. I just bleached it for 30 minutes. If you guys don't know, this wig is a straight wig. It's 26 inches. But, yeah, so when I washed the wig, the water kind of mixed up the texture. So I'm trying to put it back to, get it back to what it was. So it's a straight, silky, straight wig. But here we go. Oh, I actually low-key like this look like this. Ooh. So I'm about to just transform. Let me get my thumbnail. Okay, so today with this wig, I'm gonna be using the Got To Be. It's the Got To Be glue, so it's this. I don't usually use this, but I left my spray back at my parents' house, and yeah, that's why I'm using this. And this is the only thing I'm gonna be using with a blow dryer, so let me get into it. So today's like my first time ever using this Got To Be gel, and it's, I don't know, I don't really like it. I feel like it takes so long to dry even though I use the blow dryer, but I'm just trying to make it work honestly at this point. Yeah. Mine looks clear. Bad bitch mode activated. I'm about to go break some hearts right now. I'm just kidding. I'm about to go to sleep. But y'all, so as you guys seen, this hair is amazing. I know I use the word amazing all the time, but it's like the only like word to describe this hair. And this is like my favorite straight hair. I wear this hair all the time. And let me actually show you guys. That's it for this video. I really love this hair and I love styling it. It wasn't hard because the hair is so soft and I just brush and flat iron, and it wasn't really hard for me to flat iron the hair. The hair is so soft, so silky, like what? And I definitely recommend this wig. Yeah, it doesn't shed at all. Let me show you guys the comb. The comb is still clear, like nothing came out. And yeah, rating this wig a 10 because I'm about to rock this thing all week. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave every information in the description box if you want to purchase this wig. It's super affordable and you know, it's super good quality hair, which this wig can last you for like a long time. So I love that about this wig. And